but chemistry I find that it is useless because it is all about the compounds, molecules, chemicals which we can't use in our daily life.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Navleen Kaur.
Okay. Where from you belong to?
I belong to a village Shutrana, which is the second largest village of my state, Punjab.
Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student. Recently, I had completed my plus 2 from a Mother India school, and now I had done IELTS, and now I'm thinking to go abroad for my further studies.
Okay. Do you like to see the sky?
Yes, I like to see the sky because it looks so beautiful, and whenever I look at the sky, I felt very good and pleasant.
How about the stars?
Uh, I like to see the stars, and I love them so much. Every night I used to watch at the stars because when they twinkle, they look so beautiful and they relaxes my mind.
Okay. Do you know something about stars?
Yes, I know many things about the stars, and the most important thing is the sun is the largest and the nearest star to our Earth, and it also provides the light to all the human beings because without sunlight we are not able to see, and without sunlight the photosynthesis process will not occur and the plants will die, and because of which we will not live because the oxygen which we inhale that is provided by plants only.
Okay. How often do you look at the sky?
As earlier I had said, every night I used to look at the stars because during night time the stars and the sky looks so beautiful because in the black sky when they twinkle they look really beautiful.
Do you prefer the sky in the morning or at night?
I prefer sky at the night because in night time I can see the sky very clearly, but in the daytime because of sunshine we are not able to look at the sky, and the sunshine also irritates our eyes, so I will prefer sky night only.
Okay. Can you see the moon and stars at night where you live?
Yes, I can see because the stars and the moon at night where I live because I live in village, so the village has a very wider and good view of the sky. So definitely at night I can see moon and star both.
Okay, Navleen, we have completed the first part of our conversation. Now we have to start the second part, and this is cue card.
As I'm a science student, and in my plus one and plus two classes, I had opted non-medical stream. So I was having physics and chemistry. They both are science subject, but the most I like physics, and I'm very interested in physics. I like physics because I think that physics is totally about the things which are surrounded us, like on the electricity, on many mechanical things, and technology, and many more things. But chemistry, I find that it is useless because it is all about the compounds, molecules, chemicals which we can't use in our daily life. Yeah, chemistry have a good role in science, but I'm not interested in it, and moreover in my exams I never get good marks in chemistry, and the thing I like physics most. I like physics most, not only because that it is a good subject, but because of our teacher also. He was very good teacher, and he used to tell us different things about the physics, not only about the syllabus, the things which are in our syllabus and which we learn from our book only, but about the natural phenomena and different things about the world which is changing day by day. So because of him also I get interested in physics. Our whole class was totally interested in physics, but no one was interested in chemistry. uh, as I was having only two subjects, physics and chemistry, so if I compare both I like physics only. uh, I think that the physics is a thing which I think we should all we all should have a knowledge of physics, but because we use physics in our day-to-day life, like in electricity there are many things, and many times there are many devices in our house which get unstable, so we have to make them working. So that time we need to know things about the physics, like different types of wire, negative charge, positive charge, so different things. So I like physics only.
That's good. So this is our third part, the follow-ups. What's the best invention in the past 100 years?
There are many inventions in the past 100 years, but I think that internet is the best invention, because internet has totally changed our life, and it had made our life very easy and comfortable. Because of internet we can do online shopping, we can study also, and like in this COVID-19, many people had worked from their houses and earned a huge amount of money because of internet only. And many students who were not able to go to school, they had also studied on the internet. So I think that internet is the best invention.
Okay. What's the influence of science on human life?
Science has a very good influence on human life. It has good and bad both in influence, but I think that it totally depends upon the human being, that how he takes the science. Like there are different inventions which has made our life easy, such as many transportations vehicles, electricity, internet, and many more things. Uh, the people who use internet for good purposes, like for study and for different types of job purposes, so they have a good influence of science on their life. And the people who use it for bad things, so like cyber crimes, so it has a bad influence. So it totally depends upon the person.
Okay. My last question is, what can individuals do for scientific research?
Firstly, I think that the individual should opt science. Like after plus 10th standard, we have a choice to choose a science, commerce, or arts. So I think that many people fear about that if they choose science, what will happen. So I think that firstly they should choose science, because only then they can explore new things and they can develop new things. And secondly, I think that they should do funding, because there are many inventions which have not taken place yet because of money problems. So I think that the people should do funding.
Okay, that's all, Navleen. Thank you very much.
Thanks so much.